home. When the facts are solved, you wait and see. Oh, who will be looking for me? Wait a while, hold my calls and believe in some love that I might choose to feel. Oh, it's all strange, it's tattered, it's breaking away from a world I'm not ready to fear. I might wait at the walls of most any of you. I might hold to my heart like a stump in the ground. I might wait in the coffers. My heart will expound on a thing or two, three, maybe more. I might sing, I might do anything. Oh, I wait by the side to implore. You're almost there. Courage might cost a dime or two. Wait, I know it's not simple, believable or true. You might wait by the side with your cares, bucket them, all your cares in the pail, carry them to some distant land, and you'll find that you're still there wherever you go, just like that Ashley of Fetzer's. You know I would hold on to anything I might want to dream. I would find myself echoed. Disdain might find its way into my heart. Hey, let it go, it's not anything for me to hold on to. Such darkness might trouble me more than the darkness is troubled by me. Wait, there's a word you forgot. Wait, just one word. My heart would just echo one melody. Oh, the melody, sweet melody of love. Hold your tongue, friends. Speak no other word at that. Hold your tongue, friends. When you've said it, you said it with gusto, with love, oh, with love, oh, with love, oh.